How do you recover after a tough workout? For many, post-exercise recovery is an afterthought, but it's crucial for muscle repair, growth, and overall performance. Today, let's dive into some of the most popular recovery techniques, like ice baths and massage guns, and explore what science has to say about them along with other effective methods you can incorporate into your routine. Starting with ice baths, or cold water immersion, this method has been a go-to for athletes for decades. The idea is simple: submerging the body in cold water reduces muscle inflammation and soreness by constricting blood vessels and flushing out waste products, such as lactic acid. A 2017 study published in the Journal of Physiology showed that athletes who used cold water immersion reported significantly lower muscle soreness compared to those who did passive recovery. Moreover, cold therapy can activate the parasympathetic nervous system, promoting relaxation and reducing fatigue. However, not all research fully supports ice baths. While they can alleviate muscle soreness, some studies suggest they might also impede muscle growth and adaptation if used too frequently. The reason lies in the inflammatory process itself. Inflammation, while uncomfortable, is a natural part of muscle repair. Therefore, ice baths might be best utilized for short-term relief after competitions rather than as a daily practice. Next, let's discuss massage guns. These handheld devices deliver percussive therapy, targeting muscle tissue with rapid bursts of pressure to enhance blood flow and loosen tight muscles. According to a 2020 study in the Journal of Sports Science and Medicine, percussive therapy, like that provided by massage guns, can significantly reduce delayed-onset muscle soreness, DOMS, and improve range of motion following intense exercise. It works by stimulating blood flow and breaking down adhesions in the muscle tissue, making it an effective tool for pre- and post-exercise recovery. But just how effective are they compared to traditional massages? While they may not entirely replace the benefits of a professional massage guns offer the advantage of convenience and self-administration, which can be especially helpful for targeted muscle groups right after a workout. Now, let's look at some other popular recovery methods. 1. Foam rolling. Foam rolling is a form of self-myofascial release that helps reduce muscle tightness, improve flexibility, and enhance circulation. It can be used before and after workouts to alleviate tension in the muscles. Studies have shown that foam rolling can reduce DOMS and increase range of motion, making it an effective and affordable recovery tool. 2. Stretching. While static stretching right after a workout can help with muscle relaxation, incorporating dynamic stretching during your warm-up can improve blood flow to the muscles. Research indicates that regular stretching can enhance flexibility and reduce the risk of injuries over time. 3. Active recovery. Low-intensity activities like walking, swimming, or light cycling promote circulation and help clear metabolic waste from the muscles. Active recovery can be particularly beneficial on rest days to keep the body moving while allowing the muscles to heal. 4. Sleep. Often overlooked, quality sleep is one of the most powerful recovery tools. During sleep, the body releases growth hormone, which is essential for tissue repair and muscle growth. Aim for at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to support optimal recovery. 5. Compression therapy. Wearing compression garments or using compression devices post-workout can help reduce swelling and muscle fatigue. Studies suggest that compression therapy may aid in faster recovery by improving venous return and reducing muscle soreness. 6. Hydration and nutrition. Proper hydration helps flush out toxins and supports cellular functions, while nutrients like protein and carbohydrates aid in muscle repair and replenish energy stores. Consuming a balanced post-workout meal within a couple of hours can significantly enhance the recovery process. In summary, recovery is not one-size-fits-all. Techniques like ice baths and massage guns have their place, but their effectiveness can vary depending on the individual and the type of exercise. Incorporating a combination of these methods, tailored to your needs, will help optimize your recovery and keep you performing at your best. So next time you finish a grueling workout, remember, recovery isn't just an option, it's a necessity. Until next time, remember, stay fit, stay flexed, and see you in the next one.